Hello, in this video I want to show you how to install Messenger app on your Windows PC. And to do this, first we'll need to click on the search right here in our Windows, go and find Microsoft Store. When you open it, we'll need to locate the Messenger app, and you can find it right here. Simply write Messenger. Now install the app. When it's finished, open the app. And here we need to log in with our Facebook account to finalize the setup of a Messenger. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.